Good morning. I wanted to share a little bit about this paper. When our students are pronouncing their vowel sounds, it is very important that they are pronouncing them correctly. Often, if your student is having a difficult time distinguishing between vowels when they're spelling words or when they're reading words, if they often mix up the vowels, this will often help. I recommend using a mirror or something like this, like a Zoom meeting where they can watch their mouth as they say the vowel sounds. So I'm just going to go around really quick and show you an example of what this sounds like when you go over this chart with your child. Okay, we start over here with the biggest smile. This is E as in eel and EA as in beach. They both make those E faces, big smiles. Then we go to I. I is Izzy. See how the smile is wide? Then we go to Ed. Now notice I still have a big wide smile, but my mouth is opening more. That's because we're heading down here towards the open mouth. Okay, so still with Ed, we're smiling and our mouth is open. AE is A. Less of a smile, more of an open mouth. And then finally, we're at Abby. Now I've got a smile, but it's not as big as It's It's more of an open mouth than it is a smile. Okay. Have your student watch their mouth in the mirror when they're saying Abby, and make sure it's open. Okay. Now I don't have any smile. But my mouth isn't open that wide. And this is us. Now we're down here at the bottom. Oscar. Now my mouth is open wider. Oscar. Paw. Okay. All right. And now we have OA and OE. So that says O. Now we've got the tighter round mouth coming up. So O, and then we have oo, still round. And then we have oo, like boot. This is oo, like shoe. And this is oo, like boot. Okay, so that's the tightest round is the oo. Down here on the sides, this side and over here on this side, you're going to notice this says sliders. And these are where your mouth moves from one position to another. Ow. It's a slider. And so as you're saying these sounds, make sure your student notices how their mouth is moving. Over here, we've got our bossy R's, okay? So they're kind of open. They're a very different mouth shape. So practice it yourself in the mirror. Practice all these sounds yourself in the mirror, and then have your child practice them. Have them watch themselves in the mirror while they do it, and practice words that make these sounds. And you can find those in their spelling pages in their books under lesson number 1, which is the short vowel sounds. And then as we go along, we'll have long vowel sounds, and you can use that to find the words. And you can also just tack a few words next to these if you would like, just to remind them while they're making their sounds. Okay, there you go. It's helpful. I know it's confusing. Not all students need this, but some students do. So I want you to be aware and to know how to use this chart if I send it to you via email. And always feel free to contact me or schedule a meeting if you need help figuring this out. All right, thanks.